The GRILLBOT is the world's first and only automatic grill cleaner. Simply turn it on, set the timer, and let your GRILLBOT do the cleaning for you. The onboard computer chip creates a randomized pattern with each of the 3 brushes, ensuring full coverage of your grill, deep cleaning every corner. Hard manual scrubbing can actually harm your grill, damage your brush, or even burn you. The GRILLBOT is perfectly balanced to provide the optimal power and pressure without you having to lift a finger. And the interchangeable and replaceable brass, stainless steel, or nylon brushes combine with programmed cleaning times of 10, 20, or 30 minutes to give a custom level of clean on all types of grills, from gas to charcoal to infrared, even camping and tailgating grills. The GRILLBOT does literally all the work, so you don't have to.
I was skeptical. The first time you pick up GRILLBOT, you know it's serious quality and it cleans incredibly well.
When I bought the GRILLBOT, my grill was a mess. It hadn't been cleaned in months. I turned the GRILLBOT on and forgot about it. When I opened the lid, I couldn't believe it. My grill grates looked new again.
The GRILLBOT works with hot or cold grills, so you can use it before or after you grill. Just turn it on, close the lid, and hang out with your dinner guests. GRILLBOT does all the cleaning for you. The quick-release brushes are dishwasher safe, and with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it's easy to make sure your GRILLBOT is always ready to clean. Check out the GRILLBOT, available in black, red, blue, and orange. The GRILLBOT makes the perfect gift for the griller in your life. Every GRILLBOT comes with 3 top-quality brass brushes, a charger for the lithium-ion battery, and as a special offer, we'll include a 3-year warranty for your GRILLBOT with its unique serial number, a $27 value, free with every order. Try the GRILLBOT risk-free for 60 days with our no questions asked satisfaction guarantee.